katamong at 20 medong makandidata ng Mutya ng Kapampangan 2019.
Let's be on the
It's
side.
my 6th year here hosting, and each year just gets even better as we look for the next most outstanding Kapampangan beauty.
Pinapaabot po ni Governor Delta ang kapasalamatan sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Pampanga Day Celebration. Ng Mutya ng Kapampangan, ang Mutya Kapampangan Committee.
Program, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2019 Mutya ng Kapampangan.
Proud of what we have and what we are. We are resilient, creative, and hardworking people. And don't let other people tell you that you're just a Kapampangan, because you should think that we Kapampangans are the best. It is no doubt that pressure comes with wearing the crown and the sash, representing your beloved town. I know how they're feeling right now. I know how ecstatic and at the same time nervous they are, but all I just want to tell them is that they should be proud that they are already here and they've represented themselves and their town, and that is enough proof and enough pride. And whoever is going to be the winner, I challenge you to be more fruitful than I have ever been.